Good day, guys. This is Paul Shilajo speaking, your mentor once again. I welcome you to your favorite channel. Then, guys, if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe, please do like, and also share with your friends and family. So today, actually, what we are going to do, this is the third video. We are just going to deal with the market structure and like analyze the weekly schedule. So today we're going to focus on SPX500. We're going to start first with SPX500. So guys, please pay attention. Please listen attentively. Then also don't forget to join the Telegram group because more setups will be sent there, and also signals will be sent there, which is the free Telegram group. You can find the link at the bottom on the description. So guys, we're going to start now. We are starting now. We're analyzing we're analyzing SPX 500. So guys, on SPX 500 here, I'm looking at something like this. Let me see something first. Okay, I'm looking at something like this on D1 time frame. We're going to do what you call a multi time frame thingy. We're just gonna start from D1 and at least end from H1. So guys, let's first start. I'm seeing a resistance here. I'm seeing a resistance here being supported, and again we're looking at a higher high here. That we're looking at it. Then the market hasn't reached the higher high. It has only touched one time, which is this place. Okay guys, so here we're looking at the market touched once, and again it went again to touch for the second time. So let's just go deeper. Let's just go deeper with our analysis and look what the market actually has for us. Okay, I can see something there, but let me see if it will just accommodate that place. Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect. It's accommodating that place now. It's accommodating that place, and now we're looking at the market has given us at that touch. The market on B1 has given us at that touch here, which at that touch means the a massive movement. It means a massive movement to either the upside or the downside. It depends on how it is sitting. So we just go into H4 now just to look deeper on what's happening here on H1, on H4 meaning. So yeah, whatever we have made in D1 is actually happening in here, because here we're looking at even I think at that touch here at the top. Let's just adjust this to be a proper one. Our first touch, our second touch here, and our third touch here, then a massive movement upwards. Here we're looking at a big first touch. Last week we were talking about actually SPX 500. We were talking about it reaching this level as our first target, and this one as our second target. Then but we're looking at something like this, that the market has reached our first target. The market has actually hit our first target from last week. Then it just went down after hitting our target, giving us a what we call a double top. It gave us a double top, then but it rejected here on this place, giving this place a valid support level. It's giving this place a valid support level, which is a key point, to this level. So on this level we have a key point, given this level being a key point. As you can see, even here the market just gave us a what you call a money pattern in Eagle FX. Just went up, breaking this level, then retested and went up, came again and retested for the second time and went up, and came again and retested for the third time, which means a massive movement. So looking at SPX 500, it rejected at this place. After rejecting at this place, it went up again and hit the level that we said it's our first target. So hitting that level, it just started consolidating. But let's just look at H1 and see, maybe it can give us a pattern. It can give us a sort of a pattern. Let's just look on H1 and we'll see what actually SPX500 has for us. Okay, I see many rejecting candles here. I see many rejecting candles from this place to here. Like, I see many rejecting candlesticks. Let me just see if I can find a pattern from all these things. Let's just see that there might maybe be a pattern that we can use. But looking at this, let's see if we can use some lines and see what we can come up with from drawing this line. Okay, so the market actually has broken this level, and here there is what we call a pattern. This is a pattern, a continuation pattern that is so small that many people didn't even see that was even broken, and the market went up, shoot up, then also gave us a false breakout here. The market came down and gave us a what you call a money pattern in Eagle FX, went up again and hit the first target, went down again and gave us what a big rejection. It gave us a big touch again. It gave us a big touch here, which is our second touch money pattern. It went up again. So actually the money pattern goes up to this level. The money pattern went up to this level. We're looking at the money pattern giving us a second touch. This is mostly the money pattern does this. It gives us a first touch and a second touch. The second touch, it is just a confirmation showing that the market is really going to go onto our direction. But now let's just see what the trade that we're about to take on when the market opens. So guys, as you can see here, we are just playing between these two lines. Then again we have a small line here. So basically this is a scalp trade, because now we're looking at taking this trade because it rejected, and this is a confirmation candles. So we're looking at taking this trade from here. We're looking at taking this trade from here, and our first target being here and our second target being here. Then our stop loss will just be right here. So let's just see, even if the market just hits our first target, it is giving us a positive third touch, meaning that a massive movement to take this movement to an upper level. So we're looking at that we're still standing with the analysis of saying that the market will just go to this place. So I'm not gonna plan for this one, or being that it will reach this place. We're going to deal with what you call probability and probable. So looking at this market, the market might possibly reach this level. So we're looking at that, even if when after executing our trade immediately when the market opens, we're just gonna enter our sell trade and just put a first target, our first take profit here, and our second profit take profit here. But we'll just keep on like just putting our SL behind our entries, just to protect behind the market, because just to protect us from getting our accounts blown, or by just the market turning anywhere where we do not know what will happen. So we will just do that, secure the bag at all times. So here we're looking at a first target. So when the market might come here and retest, after retesting it might go up, it might shoot up to, and here it will give us, after rejecting, it will give us what we call a third touch. Then it will hit our target, which is the higher high. Then another possibility is that the market might just go down to this level and just give, here there's many things playing out, and just hit this trend line, give us a fourth touch on the trend line, then shoot up. Or another possibility is that it might just break out. it may just break out. So actually this is how actually I'm looking at SPX 500. So anything might happen in here, but I'm sure, like, with whatever that I've said now, you actually know where the market will actually do, what the market will actually do. So you'll just be alerted, and you'll just know where you enter your trade and where you come out of your trade. So here on this level, if the market rejects on this level, which is a key point, we're taking our buys. Then, but if the market just breaks this place and hits our second target, we'll just see if it rejects or it breaks. Then we'll just take it from there. But when you join the Telegram group, I'll obviously keep you updated on what's happening on the market, on what SPX 500 is giving us. So guys, let's go to the next pair, which is USDMXN. Let's go to USDMXN. I'm sure you understand SPX 500. I promise that more details will come. So let's just go to USDMXN. Let's just go to USDMXN and see what USDMXN is. Our rule is starting with D1. Let's just see what D1 is. So I won't go into this ones. I won't go into this deeper ones. I'll just go into the current market, because D1 means what? It means that it is a bigger thing. It is a bigger time frame. It means it is a bigger time frame. So here I see something. On D1, I already see a breakout. I already see that the market has already broke out. I'm seeing that the market has already broke out, and now the market wants to retest our area. It wants to retest where the market broke. It broke with this candle. It broke with this candle and went in with this, and I see that it wants to retest, but we are not sure of what is actually trying to do. So I see a channel there. I see a channel, but also I'm looking at something very beautiful. I'm seeing something like our impulse and correction movement, and I see that this is just the first phase, and which we're looking at that the market might just give us a lot of money from USDMXN. We're looking at this place as being our impulsive move, our correction, and being as a continuation pattern breakout to the downside. So let's just go to H4 and see what H4 actually has for us, and like go into more details about it. So we're just breaking it piece by piece. You get to know when you join the winning team, when you purchase the course, you just get to know how you deal with the multi time frame analysis, because we break the market, we break the market analysis by time frame. We start from D1, we say H4 and 1 hour, then we also have 15 minutes, but for now we just end on H1. So we're looking at now H4. So let's just adjust our trend lines, because we're looking at, this is a channel, as we have spoken, this is a channel. We just now I'm just putting the trend lines very properly. So guys, okay, this is just a fake out. Here I'm looking at a fake out. So but again, I see something here. As when we say we break out, like we look into seeing the more info, like what is the market actually giving us, like we're looking at what the market is giving us in different kinds of time frames. So I'm seeing something like this here. I see something like this, see something like that now. So yeah, I see at that touch here, and the market broke impulsively but also went up. So this, I know to many people it might be tricky. In many people, but I see that it is actually easy. So we just won't go into this part, but I will just like to because this YouTube channel, it is to just enlighten you more, for you to see how I analyzed, and to get the clear mind of how Eagle FX is the methodology, how the methodology is actually working as a whole. So now we're looking at now let me just show you an entry that we would have caught, but it is just an entry from the second entry. I mean, it is just a re-entry. So we would have caught even this entry. Yeah, we would have caught this entry, and again we would have caught this risk entry. Then just went down with it. Just went down with it. Then here, this fake out, many people just sold and they fell into a trap. So you must just be careful. You must just be careful. You know how to avoid such things, because the market, it is always trying to make money out of you all. So now, as you can see, the market, USDMXN, the market has formed another channel here, because here we're looking at a bigger channel. But as you look on D1, this is just a correction, a big correction. Then here it's just an impulsive move. This is a continuation pattern, and we're looking at this movement here. So here we're looking at that the market has rejected this place. When the market has rejected this place, we're looking at taking a sell. We won't go into H1 because I think we have everything that we need here. So our first take profit will just, our first target will just be here, which is what I have 90% surety that it will reach this place. We this is a 90% take profit. So we'll just take an entry from here immediately when the market opens. I just went in and looked at pairs actually that can give us immediate entries. So we're looking at taking this trade from there to our first target. But again, you can just do it like this, nah? Don't set the take profit, but if only you just gonna be in the market most of your time, you're going to be on the market. Don't set the take profit. Just always, when the market moves into break evening, just put your stop loss on your entry and let the trade be a run free, because even if it hits your stop loss, you won't lose anything and you won't win anything. But there is another trick which you can now, when it's at break even and it's moving into more profit, you can just move it, the stop loss after the entry, and just be at a safer place, whereas even the stop loss hits, you have gained something. Then here we're looking at about this stop loss. Here we're looking at this stop loss, risking about 1.45% and taking this trade from there to here. Yeah guys, it is a very good gain. So here, from here, this is our entry. We go down with USDMXN. So this is the analysis for USDMXN. We have made it easy. This is why we Eagle FX. That's why you as a person must get the Eagle FX methodology, because it makes your trading easier, and it makes you get the more understanding of the market. We do not use a lot of things. We do not use a lot of tools. It is just easy tools, and it is just a better vision. It is just a good vision that we are using that will help you succeed in forex trading. Another target can be also here. Another target can also be here for scalpers. So we're moving to US30. I hope that you understood this video. I do not want to make this video too long. Let's just move into a new thing now. US30. US30 now. We are on US30. Let's go to our day one time frame. Okay, on our D1 time frame, we're just gonna start with drawing our highest highs. Just start with them because they might be important to us in a lot of ways, and you just get to know why we're drawing them when you join the paid course. So we're taking this to, let's look at this place here, because I see the market playing into this place. So now we on H4 time frame. We are going to H4 time frame. On H4 time frame, let's just I see something here. Which may be a continuation pattern. It may be a continuation pattern here. It may be a continuation pattern here. Okay, it can be a continuation. Yeah, it's a continuation pattern. It's a continuation pattern. We're looking at the market giving us first touch, second touch, and third touch. A major move. This is an impulsive move. This is a correction. It gave us a gap here. So we're looking at the market just coming into this place, rejecting on this place. We can take a risk entry from here, or we can take it from the breakout, which is a reduced entry. So our first take profit will just be on this point. Our first take profit will be on this point, and we'll just see what the market acts when it reaches this point. When it reaches this point, because it might reject and just give us a second touch. So guys, as you can see, we're going to take our trade from here. We're going to take our trade from here to our first take profit, and our stop loss will just be just right here, not risking a lot. So we're going to just take the trade from there to there. So yes guys, this is Eagle FX. This is your mentor. I hope you understood this video. Please leave your comment below, please subscribe, please like, and yeah guys, please share with your friends and family. Please share with your friends and family. More videos are going to come. I'll actually even teach you more things. Please also leave a comment of the topics you want me to cover in the next videos that I'll be making, because I'm giving back to the community the things that I know. Then there is a paid course, but for this YouTube channel I'm just sharing few things just to help you and for you to get a clear vision of how we trading, because it is hard for a person to trust someone just coming out of the blue saying that I am having this product that can actually change your life, but it's not showing the product to people. So I'm bringing this product to you all, for you to watch it, for you to see how we make the market easy, like how easy we make it look. So guys, yeah guys, we just making it out, so guys, please leave your comment, please support, and I thank you for all for watching this video. And I'm signing out. It is your mentor, Mr. Paul Shilajwe, the founder and CEO of Eagle FX. I'm out.